Welcome back guys to the tutorial on C++ programming language, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about goto statements, right? In the previous tutorial we talked about break and the continue statements. In this tutorial we're going to talk about something very similar, which can be used as a loop, which can be used as a very good kind of loop. How? I will tell you. What does it do is you create a point. All right, you create a point, and by creating a point, suppose this is a point, and you say the compiler to go to this a point. How this happens, I will tell you. All right, it's very simple. You create this point. Let me just say I put the point as start, and then use a colon. So this is a point in this C++ programming language. Now I say go to this start. So whatever the name of the point is, actually just type that name, and then a semicolon. You can see this different. When you create a point, it is a colon which is used. All right, it is, you can see this is a colon which you create a point with, and when you type this word go to start, all right, then this semicolon is used, because this is a statement and this is a point. So this statement, for this statement we need a semicolon. So what I'm gonna do is, between this, let me just create something crazy thing, and by that crazy thing I mean an infinite loop which is not a good thing. All right, so we shouldn't be proud of creating an infinite loop, because it doesn't mean anything. It's a dumb idea. Okay, so what it does is, compiler goes for the main. It says it's a point, nothing to worry about. It prints this hello world. It says go to start. It will go to the start again. It will print hello world. It will again then go to the start, because this statement says go to the start. It will go to the start, then again print hello. So let me just build and run this, and you can see the magic of dumbness. You can see this, it's an infinite loop. You cannot see anything, you cannot do with anything. So let me just close this, and let's just create mm, a loop out of this. Okay, what I did is, it's I plus I, the value of I is 1, and what I do is I plus plus over here. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna create a loop with this. And how can we do this? It's very simple. You create an if which says, if sorry you create an if, it says if I is less than equal to 10. Okay, very simple, very simple. Let me just end this line again, and print the value of I2. Okay, simple as it is. And this goto goes directly into this if, because it's the one line statement. So let me just explain this. You create a variable of I, there is a point, it doesn't care about it. You print the value 1 hello people, increases the value. It checks whether 2 is smaller than, yes it is. It goes to the start again. So again and again until and unless this value is 11, where it gets to be 11. When it gets to be 11, it prints, it says sorry it's false, and it doesn't go to the go start, and it ends. So you can just build and run this, and you can see this 1 hello, 2 2 3 4 5 6 hello people. It get printers as same as a loop. I can increase this loop, and if I say 20, and it's gonna print till 20 now. So it is actually acting as a loop, right? So this is how goto works. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do something very good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna create a small application. All right, um, okay, let's just do it. So what I print is cout, okay, enter y for yes, and sorry, n for no. All right, very simple thing. You have seen these things. alright, where you create when you press Y it says yes, and the loop continues. Okay, loop. Okay, okay. Do you want to continue playing? Let's suppose this is our game, and forward n, and this breaks the line. This, in the next line it says this, and what I'm gonna do is see in a ch, a character. So let me just declare a char over here. Okay, you put you see in ch, and when, and I'm gonna apply an if condition, and if I say if ch is equal to y over here, alright, then go to start again, alright, and else this no. Okay, so let's just remove this part for this point. Okay, let me just build and run this again, and you can see this. Do you want to continue playing? Okay, enter y for yes. I enter y. Let me just enter y, and I print and I this entered, and you can see this. Do you want to continue playing? Print enter y for yes. I put y as again. It doesn't matter how many times you put y. If you put anything, either n or anything else, it's gonna end this loop and it gets out of the loop. So it's a very good thing, right? You get the user's input, alright, and you check whether this you want to do this and or not, alright. So what you can do is when you get the user input, you actually go to not here start, but to something like actually a game application or window actually, to where you want the console to go. I am using just a start point, but you can use goto at a point where it goes to you can use this goto to the point where it goes to an application starting or something, which is very big for C++ programming language. So this is a very cool thing. You can see this. If it checks if you enter y, that it means you want to play, right? So if you want to play this, then print enter yeah y for yes. Then it checks if you entered y, then it goes to start, else it just terminates this program. So again, you can see this end for entering out, and that's very good. So this is about goto. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.